NBC 739 News at 11. Coming up later, have a more satisfying love life and save your marriage too? Peggy Pico reveals a new solution. Could it work for you to reclaim your sex life? Coming up later.
Men with sexual dysfunction can turn to medication for help, but a growing number of women, especially mothers, are getting an unusual surgery to improve sexual satisfaction. Medical correspondent Peggy Pico reports on what some wives are doing to reclaim their sex life.
You may have seen the ads in magazines or on the web for a rejuvenating laser surgery that promises women a more satisfying sex life. How does it work? And could this new laser surgery help save your marriage?
I thought I was the only one in the world that would have these issues, being so young.
But this mother of two who does not want to be identified is far from alone. Many women, it seems, suffer in silence.
Women don't say anything. They're afraid to say anything.
The so-called taboo topic, sex after children, just isn't as satisfying.
Women may not talk about it so much in a physical sense, such as erectile dysfunction or a looser vagina.
But more women are doing something about it. Last year, 1,000 American women had laser vaginal rejuvenation, or LVR.
Laser vaginal rejuvenation is a procedure that's designed to decrease the internal and external diameter of the vaginal canal.
Urologist Dr. Elliot Lander is the only doctor in San Diego County currently doing LVR. He says the 1-hour outpatient procedure restores a woman's pelvic floor to pre-childbirth condition.
We really truly change the shape of the vaginal canal and tighten it, and we support the muscles and connective tissue in a way that provides support and improved contact between the woman and her partner.
The result, says Dr. Lander, more sensation and more enjoyment.
When you have the surgery and then after the fact, now that I can be sexually active, it's like, wow, there's a huge difference. I found out what I was missing.
But doctors warn sexual enhancement surgery won't save a troubled marriage.
I don't think that that is the answer to saving a marriage.
But she says LVR can boost bedroom bliss only if a woman does it for her own pleasure.
If the woman feels that she's doing this as an empowering move for herself, I think that's very healthy.
It was for 56-year-old Marie Beasley, who had LVR just a few months ago.
It just helped. It really did. It's really, really gratifying. I'm really happy with the operation.
Recovery time can take up to 6 weeks, but after that, how long does it really take to feel the difference?
Immediately. Immediately.
Dr. Lander says complications like bleeding or scarring are very rare in LVR surgery, and he recommends women who want the surgery get it done by a certified LVR gynecologist or urologist. The surgery is considered cosmetic and not covered by insurance. It typically costs between $6,000 and $12,000. Marty, Susan?
Well, for more on LVR, go to our website, NBCSanDiego.com, and then click on Learn More.